karena aku udah lama nggak bikin video guys, dan habis ini udah dapat upload dari YouTube dan sangat menikmati channel ini, dan jangan lupa subscribe dan like ya guys. Ini Jimny guys, ini Arpar, ini BMW, ini namanya Volkswagen apa ya? Ini Beetle, ini K7, ini Bentley, ini Lancer, Elantra, Yaris.
What the fuck's up, Dre? Tell me, talk the ring. I'm right here, nigga. Release the hand.
Wow. What?
I'm a nigga with an attitude, thanks to y'all. And I don't give a fuck, I keep it gangster, y'all. I'm a ride for my side in the CPT. God bless the memory of Eazy-E. If it wasn't for me, where the fuck you be? Rapping like the treacherous three, you fucking cowards. I done seen Drake rocking parties for hours. And I done seen Ren fucking bitches from Howard. And I done seen Snoop give away at 80 Bowers. So fuck Jerry Heller and them white superpowers.
This is shit niggas kill for. They hit a villain niggas spitting with them nigga flows. Fuck you hoes, fuck you bitch ass niggas too. Got something for your throat. These niggas wearing skirts like the Pope. Who the niggas that you love to get? Who the niggas that you fucking with? Love to yell that we the shit. The saga continues with the world's most dangerous group. 4 deep in the coop.
I'ma smoke where I wanna smoke. Fuck that. I'ma choke who I wanna choke. Fuck that. I'ma ride where I wanna ride. Fuck
Cause
that.
I'm a nigga for life, so I'm a nigga till I decide.
I'ma smoke where I wanna smoke. Fuck that. I'ma choke who I wanna choke. Fuck that. I'ma ride where I wanna ride.
Cause I'm a nigga for life, so I'm a motherfucking nigga till I decide.
A pencil, a pen, or a Glock. I'm the original, subliminal, subterranean, titanium, criminal, minded, swift. DRE with that fuck a bitch shit. A couple of notes to get your hog tied and rope. Dope like tons of coke. Cutthroat. You don't want the pistols to whistle. Candy paint and powder. I make hoes pop collars.
Goddamn hoes, here we go again. Fucking with Ren, playing to win. Coke in hand, juice and gin. Same shit you was fucking with way back then. We keep it cracking from the actin' to the jackin'. G'd up, C'd up, motherfucker blaze the weed up. We all on deck, fool, so put your heat up. I stay on deck so me don't get wet. Look my nigga, we can scatter like buckshots. Let's get together, make a record, why the fuck not?
Why the fuck not? Why the fuck not?
Why the fuck not? Cause I'm tight as the night I had the right activator off the mic in 1985. Real nigga. You know. We cause tragedy, erratically, systematically. In your house without a key. How fucked up that'll be? Gotta be near your anatomy, my form of flattery.
Assault and battery. Cause we coming with that street mentality. Straight West Coast Rider Academy. Concrete, nigga, that's my reality.
We tend to bust on niggas that get mad at me.
Was it a bitch in the mix?
Well, it had to be.
Lying tricks told them dicks that I had a key. Hoes make the world harder than it have to be.
Yeah, that's right.
I'ma smoke where I wanna smoke. Fuck that. I'ma choke who I wanna choke. Fuck that. I'ma ride where I wanna ride.
Cause I'm a nigga for life, so I'm a nigga till I decide.
I'ma smoke where I wanna smoke. Fuck that. I'ma choke who I wanna choke. Fuck that. I'ma ride where I wanna ride.
Cause I'm a nigga for life, so I'm a motherfucking nigga till I decide. What? I'm a nigga with an attitude, thanks to y'all. And I don't give a fuck, I keep it gangster, y'all. I'm a ride for my side in the CPT. God bless the memory of Eazy-E. If it wasn't for me, where the fuck you be? Rapping like the treacherous three, you fucking cowards. I done seen Drake rocking parties for hours. And I done seen Ren fucking bitches from Howard. And I done seen Snoop give away at 80 Bowers. So fuck Jerry Heller and them white superpowers.
This is shit niggas kill for. They hit a villain niggas spitting with them nigga flows. Fuck you hoes, fuck you bitch ass niggas too. Got something for your throat. These niggas wearing skirts like the Pope. Who the niggas that you love to get? Who the niggas that you fucking with? Love to yell that we the shit. The saga continues with the world's most dangerous group. 4 deep in the coop.
I'ma smoke where I wanna smoke. Fuck that. I'ma choke who I wanna choke. Fuck that. I'ma ride where I wanna ride. Fuck
Cause
that.
I'm a nigga for life, so I'm a nigga till I decide.
I'ma smoke where I wanna smoke. Fuck that. I'ma choke who I wanna choke. Fuck that. I'ma ride where I wanna ride. Fuck
Cause I'm a
that.
nigga for life, so I'm a motherfucking nigga till I decide.
A pencil, a pen, or a Glock. I'm the original, subliminal, subterranean, titanium, criminal, minded, swift. DRE with that fuck a bitch shit. A couple of notes to get your hog tied and rope. Dope like tons of coke. Cutthroat. You don't want the pistols to whistle. Candy paint and powder. I make hoes pop collars.
Goddamn hoes, here we go again. Fucking with Ren, playing the win. Coke in hand, juice and gin. Same shit you was fucking with way back then. We keep it cracking from the acting to the jacking. G'd up, C'd up, motherfucker blaze the weed up. We all on deck, fool, so put your heat.
Guys, jadi itu saja video koleksi mobil-mobilan aku yang sangat keren. Dan oke guys, jadi itu saja video koleksi mobil-mobilan aku yang sangat keren. Jangan lupa videonya di subscribe dan like videonya biar aku semangat bikin video yang lain ya guys. Dah.